Alright, today we're going to bring a nice crystal scone, and this one has an attachment. This metal piece is to actually attach this into this, alright? And then it attaches to here, the double, if you guys can see the indentation. And that's part of this tube right here that you're going to require to actually screw it in after, right? So we're going to put it together. They give you the light bulb, LED, and we're going to set it up and see how it works. Alright, we're gonna set it up. I'm gonna put the light bulb first, alright? Light bulb goes in here. Then I got the piece of metal grabbing the copper here, the metal piece. Slide it in there slowly. Cover it up. Then twist it. And we got the piece of metal in there. I'm gonna turn it on to see how bright it is. Let's go ahead and take a look. Now let's take a look at the actual light bulb. If you guys can see a beautiful design. I like the metal piece. Installing's a little difficult because you got to make sure you set up the actual LED light in there first. So just remember that I did it LED light first, and then the copper piece of metal, the brass metal goes at the end. And it has its weight, so just make sure that and they only one set right now, so make sure that if you're gonna buy it, that you have a nice strong backing. All right, so we require that. But look how beautiful, elegant light it looks like. It's a torch light. You can put it anywhere. It's a scone, heavy duty crystal, beautiful reflection on it. I'm gonna turn on the light so you guys can see a little bit better quality of it, because it is a little too bright for it. So I'm gonna lower it down if you guys can see it. But look how beautiful, elegant it looks like. Big, heavy duty crystal. I like the design. Like I said, just have a big backing for it and you should be good. So very simple, easy to put together. I hope you guys enjoy the video.